Okay, stand back, hit record, and we're off. So you can see my blue light's fixed. So this drone is at the moment on 30% and is a little bit breezy here. Quite difficult to fly in the breeze. Just do some tracking here. Get the trim sorted out. Like with all these drones, as I keep mentioning, play with your trim before. So it looks pretty good. It looks like I've fixed the lights and the prop pretty well. And I lost the video feed for some reason, so let's just make sure this video feed's kicked in again. Okay, I've hit the record button, so let's see how we go. I'm hoping it's recording to the SD card of the drone. It's a bit blowy here. I'm going to get myself in trouble if I'm not careful. Having a bit of trouble controlling it, but we'll see how we go. Okay, let's bring it back here and let's go for some height, I think. I'll try and do some aerial shots. Let's trim this right back, there's a bit of wind. I don't know if I can get above these trees. I don't think I can, so just look at the wind taking it away. I've said it before, I'll say it again, these drones hate the wind. Okay, I think we're safe here. I'm just going to go up and see how high I can climb and what happens to it when it goes too high. We're about to find out, folks. Yep. Crikey, nearly lost it then. No, I'm going to bring it back down, guys. Yeah, really hard to control in the wind. I'm having a bit of trouble. Incoming! With an egg. That was pretty dodgy. No, here we are, safe. Okay. Oh, here comes some more wind. Okay, let's amp it up to 100%, shall we? See how it likes flying forward into the wind. Yeah, just hold like that underneath there. I'm going to start it up, show you. 60%. Some quick bit of trim adjust. I'll just quickly show you guys the best way to land one of these if you're in thick grass like this is. The Eachine especially has the WD20. You're going to need to land it. What I recommend doing is grabbing it and then pushing this right button in, which is the landing button. Okay. Then again, start it up, pick it up again, Give it a bit of lift, and up you go. One-handed operation. Right, so I was doing a bit of a height test before, but I don't think we'll do that again. I don't think we'll do that again because of the wind that's here at the moment. Okay, this is a jumpy little drone, folks, this unit here. I know I'm on 60%, but let's go. See if we can get some footage going here. Yeah, I can't do too much height testing here, folks, because yeah, it's just too windy. Okay, the quality of the video with this drone is pretty exceptional. I'm quite impressed with it. I'm just going to go up and up and up. If you guys can have another look at the type of quality of footage. It's pretty difficult to keep it steady for that steady shot, but it sort of gives you an idea of what's going on. And the wind's taking it away now, so I'm just going to have to try and bring it back down without losing it, like I've done in the past. Yeah, so bring it back down, 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 down. Ooh, bugs like hanging around the video, don't they? Hanging around the drone while it's flying. This is a fun little drone to fly, folks, this one here. Let's just make it on 100%. And we'll just do a couple of speed laps. Yeah, I'm not tempted to do the return to home feature because it didn't work before, so you can see 100% is really quite zippy in this unit. It's good fun. Alright, okay, let's go. You don't lose too much height when you're doing your circles. I notice the Eachine does drop to the ground a bit. This drone here though, you can get some action going without it dropping down too much. Looks pretty good. Watch out for those trees and bushes. Yeah, they look pretty close. Alright, let's bring it back. Full steam ahead, eh? It's a bit hard to see how quickly this is reacting, but trying to show you guys here. See how fast this thing does actually go. A bit low to the ground there. I'm sure it'd be different, react differently if there was no wind, so hey, it's been around, it's handling the job really well at the moment. Good fun to fly. Good fun little bit of kit, this one. Let go of everything and it tries to stay still, but yeah, generally it just, oh no, it's looking pretty good. It's sitting still pretty well. So let's do a bit of a walk around and try and do some photography here with the WD. Again, fighting the wind, I'm going head on into the wind now, so it's going to be nice and slow. Doesn't like the wind at all. Have I got a flashing light yet? Indicating low battery. Surely we're getting low on batteries now. Better bring it down and have a look. Can't see the red light from here. Oh, it's still going strong. That's good. Yeah, battery life of this drone is about 8 minutes. I have done a test recently, but I will do another test so we can see exactly how long it lasts for, but I won't do it at the moment because we've stopped and started a couple of times. Let's see if we can line up that arch without crashing into it. Oh, no, here's the wind. Okay, so we've got a flashing tail light now, so we're about to run out of power. So I'm going to grab it. And stop it. Save it landing in the wet grass. Okay.